دابا وصلنا لادفيرب كلوز. الادفيرب كلوز هو اللي كيربط لينا بين واحد المجموعه ديال الجمل. he shows a relationship between a sentence, dependent sentence or independent sentence. بحال مثلا we use the adverb clause to show the contrast, reason, time, condition. We use some conjunction to express this. For example, to express reason we use because. Also to express contrast we use although. To express time we use when. And to express condition we use if. هادو واحد مجموعه ديال الكونديشن but we still have other conjunctions اللي غادي نشوفهم ان شاء الله في الدروس المقبله. I will give you an example. Although she haven't enough money, she buy a car. She buy a car, it's independent clause. And although she haven't enough money, it's an adverb clause. We will look for the verb haven't. We have the first verb, buy it's the second. She is the subject for haven't. Also she is the subject of buy. Although she haven't enough money, it's another verb clause. Another example, if it's raining tomorrow, I will not go to a picnic. If it is raining tomorrow, هاد الادفيرب كلوز ضروري خاصهم يبداو بهاد لي كونجانكشنز. في الجمله الاولى عندنا although، وفي الجمله الثانيه عندنا if. يعني باش تعرفوا تفرقوا ما بين الادفيرب كلوز وما بين الكلوز اخرين. يعني كاينين شي كلوز مشتركين وكاينين شي كلوز اخرين خاصين بكل واحد خاص بهم. يعني غادي نشرحوا هاد كيف how to struct a clause in a sentence in my next lessons إن شاء الله. If it is raining, we will look here for the verbs as we do. Raining, its first verb. Will not go, its second verb. The subject of raining is it, and the subject of will not go, it's I. If it is raining, if it's a conjunction. If it is raining tomorrow, it's another verb clause. هنايا كيشرح لينا، يعني كيحط لنا واحد الشرط. الكونديشن هو واحد الشرط. If it is raining tomorrow, I will not go to a picnic. ما غاديش نمشي للبيكنيك. نقدر نمشي للبيكنيك الا كان غير البرد، نقدر نمشي للبيكنيك الا كانت الشمس، ولكن الحاله الوحيده اللي ما غاديش نمشي فيها للبيكنيك if it is raining. هذا هو المعنى ديال هذا السنتنس هذه. We have here another example. He failed the test because he didn't study. Because كيدير لنا واحد because to express a reason ولا to express واحد السبب. علاش he failed the test? Because he didn't study. The first verb we have is failed. The second verb didn't study. The subject he for the verb failed, and the subject he for didn't study. Because he didn't study, it's an adverb clause. I will give you here another example. It's an advanced example, but it's not very hard. هنا واحد الجمله اللي فيها مجموعه ديال لي كلوز، فيها مجموعه ديال لي كلوز و independent clause و dependent clause. I will explain it for you. When my mother, who was only 18 when she had me, told me I should wait until I got older to marry Lucy, I know she was really happy. I met the right person. Here we start to distinct this sentence to use to become easy for you. When my mother told me, it's an adverb clause. When my mother told me, the first adverb clause, because it starts with by when. كيف قلت لكم when to express a time، يعني adverb clause. Who was only 18 when she had me, it's an adjective clause. Adjective clause اللي كيعطينا معلومات على my mother. Who was only when 18 when she had me. هاد الادجكتيف كلوز يعني كاين ما بين between two commas كيف شرحت لكم من قبل. كاين ما بين جوج ديال لي كاما كيعطينا واحد extra information of mother. يعني mother هو واحد النون اللي معرف، يعني معرف، ما خصناش، ما كاينش كيف نزيدو نعرفوه. يعني mother I have one mother it's clear. داكشي علاش يعني who was only eating when she had me it's an extra information just to for the mother. I should wait it's another clause, it's a noun clause. I want you to concentrate more please. Until I got older it's another verb clause because it starts with until. To marry Lucy it's an object of the it's just an object. I know she was really happy it's a dependent clause, it's an dependent clause here. If you look at the sentence, the main sentence that we have here in this whole sentence is I know she was really happy. I will explain you more. I met the right person it's a that clause. When if you remember that in the first I tell you that we have that clause I met. Here we need that I met the right clause, but that here it's not function anything. يعني ما عندهاش هنا حتى واحد الوظيفة، هي just introduced أنا that clause، هي فقط تكون باش تبدا لنا واحد الكلوز، ولكن ما عندهاش شي وظيفة معينة. that غتكون هنايا. يعني تنتمنى يعني قبل ما ندوز نعاود نشرح لكم هذه الجملة هذه. when my mother it's another verb clause told me who was only eating when she had me it's an adjective clause. I should wait until I got older to marry Lucy it's object. I know she was really happy that I met the right person. that I met it's that clause. يعني بهالطريقة خصكم تبقاو تخدموا لي باراغراف وتبقاو تسطروا على كل الكلوز باش هكذا غادي تفهموها مزيان وتوضح لكم. ما بقى لي من نقول لكم غير see you soon مع الدرس المجي ان شاء الله اللي هو النون كلوز. دابا في هذا الدرس هذا فقط ركزت على الوظائف ديال كل كلوز فيهم، ولكن في الدروس الماجيه غادي نركز على كل type of dependent clause. I will explain its structure. Also I will explain how you the pronoun and conjunction it start with باش تقدروا تميزوهم في السنتنس. بقى ما يقول لي نقول لكم شكرا على المتابعه، وإلا كنتو ما فهمتوش شي حاجه نعاود ناكدها لكم حطوا ليها في الكومونت. see you soon.